My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2015 Lexus NX. This vehicle has done just under 50,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. As we approach the boot, we can see that it's electric. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access our 8 main features, which are audio and climate control, navigation and smartphone integration, display, setup, car and information. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen, we have our dual zone climate control, as well as heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather, black interior, and get a good view of the sunroof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.